what you would add to it, what you would remove. So, what do you think?
About the community center?
Yeah.
I think it's a good idea. It's a good idea to make people more familiar with this software because the fact that it's open source is important and it's virus free is important for business environments especially.
Yeah.
So it's good to learn stuff about it and it's good to learn to customize it, how to customize it.
Yeah.
Because now looking at it, I couldn't find it now.
Yeah.
Then most probably if you have it in, if you want to try at your home, then you will just quit it because like, okay, I couldn't find some stuff. But if you have a chance to just go to
if you have someone helping you, or showing you, or just a guide, just a program as a guide, toolbox, as you said, it will be a lot easier. That's it actually.
Alright, no problem. Any other ideas or any other opinions?
I think this information you can get quite easily on forums, on internet, so I don't know if I would go to this community, but I think it's a nice idea for who is really interested to know it, to have someone right on your side to help you.
Yeah.
And I think it's really interesting.
Because I think if we look at our generation, if we look at our demographic, you know, we're more used to going on forums or looking at things on the internet, but there's also a large demographic of people who don't do that, who would rather have physical contact and have somewhere that they can just go to instead of always trying to look things up. So that's also the reason behind having a physical community center. Because there would also be an online version, exactly the same, but then it's better. It also adds other people, so it's more accessible.
I think it's a good idea. I mean, most prominent thing is that you can get direct feedback.
Yeah.
And also, if you still don't manage to work things out, someone with more experience, we can do it for you. We show you for next time you need to do this and this.
Yeah.
And if it's good to have things your way, customize it. Next time you start up the thing, it will be like you want it and not the standard issue.
Exactly.
Yeah, I think also it's a great idea because right now the emphasis is more on this customizing aspect of Linux because that's what I only knew. Because if I heard about Linux, you can add to it or you can just customize it, and that kind of scared me off from using the program because I was thinking like it's not a stable program. But if you have some kind of this community like this and you can share ideas and see, okay, it's not only about customizing but also about usability, interface, speed maybe, I think it's a great idea. I see potential future.
Okay, because the idea is basically to not just, you know, have this beacon of help or support or anything. It's just also just make it more familiar with people. Because a lot of people just don't know what Linux is. And so they will, you know, they will not initially think, okay, I'm going to buy a new computer with Linux on it because they're so used to Windows. But this is just an introduction into the world of Linux so that they can actually go there, see what it's like, and then think, maybe if it's so reliable, if I get more familiar with it, it's quite easy to use, why not use it if it's better than what else is out there? And so that's the discussion we're trying to initiate with this community center and to bring all those, you know, which are quite special features of Linux. We're trying to bring that together in one place so people can become better.
I think it's a good initial step to reach that goal.
And so yeah.